It's your boy Jamal Adams, and I'm here with my guy Fletcher, and we are here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge
at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Me and my man Jamal pumped. Got a bunch of rides to get on today. No time to waste. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
All right, come on, let's all be friends. Come on, there we go. Bro, I'm gonna be the pilot, you be the co-pilot.
I'm cool with that, bro.
You see, just as I promised, my friend.
There you go. We just left the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
And now it's going down at Twilight Zone, Tower of Terror.
Let's get this party started! We had a good time today at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
And now it's time for us to rest up and for y'all to check us out at the Pro Bowl, because the AFC is taking it.
I doubt that, but we did have a really good time. NFC to the front. Let's do this.